Nigel was a male golden retriever dog owned by Monty Don, a British television gardening presenter. Nigel was known for his appearances on the BBC Two gardening programme, Gardener's World, on which he was seen with Don's other dog Nellie, following the presenter around his garden and sometimes playing with a tennis ball. Apart from his television appearances, Nigel was the subject of a parody Twitter account. Nigel was popular with viewers who were concerned when he disappeared from the program in September 2012. He had injured himself after twisting sideways when jumping to catch a tennis ball and had ruptured an intervertebral disc in his spine. He was treated with steroids by a local veterinary surgeon and was then taken to Noel Fitzpatrick, a vet who specializes in extreme cases, who treated him with hydrotherapy, drugs and physiotherapy. Nigel recovered and resumed his television appearances. Don said that he chose his dog Nigel because the domestic dog signifies the good and bad in human relationships with nature. Humans can prioritize fluffy animals over others. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.